Davinci Dc100 rolls. The Davinci Dc100, a high-performance robotic electric motorcycle, made its US debut at CES 2023. This futuristic bike is designed to rival traditional 1,000 cubic centimeters bikes in terms of performance, incorporating a suite of computer chips and advanced sensors. It features a sleek and aerodynamic design. We're excited to announce that CES 2023 represents our first on-site appearance in the US market, said Rosanna Libya, Davinci Motors International Business Manager. As a tech-driven company, this show is a top priority for us to showcase ourselves as a tech company in the US and around the world. CES 2023 provides the perfect opportunity to introduce our product to the US market, and we invite media and attendees to visit our booth. The Davinci Dc100 motorcycle's cutting-edge technology and performance capabilities make it a standout in the market, and its appearance at CES 2023 demonstrates the company's commitment to innovation and expansion into the US market.